Hey, good morning everyone. It's Melissa at SouthCoast Hyundai. I have Chris here with me. Chris picked up his brand new 2020 Palisade last week and he's stopped in and he's just going to tell us what he loves about his brand new Palisade. So,
first of all, shall I say what I hate about it? What I hate about it is my wife wants to drive it more than I do, all the time. So I'm getting so frustrated that I can't get to drive the car. But honestly, I think the car itself is wonderful. I've not been in a car for such a long time that I've wanted to drive it all the time. The heads-up display is just phenomenal. I can't comment too much more on that. It shows all the features that you want. You're actually watching your speed from the end of your body. You're not looking down, so your visual is all good. Lane detection and drive assist works perfectly.
So you were talking to me about the sport mode, so talk about that.
Mr. Angry. Yeah, when you change the dials for the different, like the Eco, etc., the dashboard all changes colour. But you change the sports mode and it goes all red, and you think, oh my god, you get ready for this, and you do. You put your foot down and it goes like hell. It's really good.
Awesome. So you guys are obviously enjoying it.
Oh, I love it. Absolutely love the car.
All right. Well, here you have it from Chris, our first customer review on the Palisade. Thank you so much, Chris, for doing this for us this morning. And thank you everyone for watching. Have a wonderful day.